Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Bhavna and this is the place where busy moms like you can find practical money tips to help make life a little bit easier. Today we are diving into a really important topic, something that's been on a lot of parents' minds lately. Did you know that childcare costs have now started surpassing housing costs in some areas? Yep, it's true. In today's video, we are going to discuss why that is. And most importantly, I'll be sharing tips on how you can manage these rising costs. Let's get into it. So let's start with some shocking stats. According to a report from care.com, childcare costs have steadily risen in recent years, outpacing inflation and even the cost of living in many areas. In fact, in some places, parents are now spending more on childcare than on their monthly mortgage or rent. In some cities, the cost for daycare for one child can run anywhere from $1,000 to $2,500 a month, and that's just for one child. Imagine if you have more than one. It's a huge financial strain for families, especially when you're trying to balance a budget that's already stretched thin. Now you must be wondering, why is childcare getting so expensive? Well, there are a few key factors at play. First of all, demand for childcare is increasing. More parents are working outside the home, which means more kids need care. But the number of childcare providers hasn't kept pace with this demand, making it harder to find affordable options. Secondly, the pandemic created a lot of disruptions in the childcare sector. Some centers are closed or have limited capacity, and the increased safety measures raised operational costs. Plus, many childcare workers are underpaid, so they are leaving the industry, which leads to a shortage of workers and even higher costs. Alright, so now that we know why childcare is so expensive, let's talk about what we can do to manage these costs. I've got some practical tips for you that could make a real difference in your family's budget. So, tip number one would be you have to look for subsidies or assistance programs. Did you know there are childcare subsidies and tax credits available? Depending on your income and the state you live in, you might qualify for assistance. For instance, the Child and Dependent Care Tax Credit can help reduce your tax bill if you're paying for daycare. Coming to tip number two, consider flexible work arrangements. If you are in a position to do so, try negotiating flexible hours or remote work with your employer. If you can work from home even part time, it might help you reduce the number of hours your child spends in daycare. It's all about finding that balance. Share care with friends or family. Now, another option to cut costs is to look into family or friend childcare arrangements. If you can find a trusted friend or a family member who's willing to help, you might be able to share childcare duties and save on the high cost of a daycare center. Consider a nanny share. If full-time children isn't in your budget, maybe a nanny share is a good option. This allows you to split the cost of a nanny with another family, making it more affordable for everyone involved. Compare different providers. Not all childcare centers charge the same. Take some time to compare local providers. While you want to make sure your child is in a safe and loving environment, you can also look for more affordable options. Sometimes the most expensive provider isn't always the best. So check reviews, ask for recommendations, and don't be afraid to ask tough questions. I know it's not easy to navigate the rising cost of childcare, but remember, you are not alone. Many families are facing the same struggle. The key is to plan ahead, take advantage of available resources, and find creative ways to save. Whether it's adjusting to your budget, finding flexible work options, or getting help from friends and family, there are always solutions out there. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more budgeting and family finance advice. Also, drop a comment below with your own tips or struggles related to childcare costs. Let's start a conversation and support each other through this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.